So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I will be showing you guys my Lookiero haul. So Lookiero is an online personal shopper brand where you get like you get to select like the items, the clothing items that you would normally go for, and a personal stylist will be assigned to you. So you kind of give the personal stylist like an idea of the kind of clothing that you usually like, the kind of bags you like, the kind of tops, trousers, your sizes as well. You just fill in all the information, your personal information, like cloth wise, on the Lookiero website, and then a personal stylist will be assigned to you. The personal stylist will then go through like maybe photos of yourself. Like if you leave a link up to your Instagram account, your personal stylist will go to your Instagram account to have a look at your kind of fashion style, and then, or if you leave like a few pictures on the website, your personal stylist can go through those pictures to just have an idea of your kind of style personality, if so to say, you get what I mean. So yeah, so they reached out to me to collaborate on this clothing haul, and I thought I would share this with you guys so that you guys will, you know, see how Lookiero works and the kind of clothes that they selected for me. So here is the box. So this is the Lookiero box it came in. I've already opened it. I'm just going to show you guys like my unboxing of every single item. You guys can see how everything is packaged and what is inside the box. I'm also going to do a try on haul as well. If you look behind me, I've got a rail at the back where I'll put the clothes on top of and then show you guys like a try on haul. So this will be an exciting video, hopefully. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I love having you guys join my family. So yeah, keep watching. So I'm going to unbox it. I just wanted you guys to see this handle right here. It also comes with the box so that you could easily carry your box into your house. They've also sent me like like a sample of the kind of styles that I could, you know, try with the clothes that they sent to me, and they left a note as well. So basically this one just reads, "Hi Ezinma, welcome to Lookiero. I am Katie, your personal shopper. For your box I have grabbed inspiration from your Instagram, which I love. I hope you like what I have selected." Okay, so she has selected a few items for me. She selected a print skirt by Warehouse, a knit by The Bock, a gorgeous bag by The Bock as well, culottes by Warehouse, and a fab denim jacket by Be Young. Yeah, so she says, let me know what you might like to see for your next box. I hope you love. Have a lovely day. So yeah, thank you Katie for sending me that lovely note. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it right now. I'm just going to pop this open. So this is the first item. It's just a skirt. I'll show you guys all of the items on the rail when I do the try on, but I'm just going to unbox it now quickly and then show you guys what is in the box. Okay, so stay tuned. These are the items hanging. First is this gorgeous bag. I love the high quality of the bag. This is from a brand called Bock, The Bock, B-O-H-C-K. I like the metal detail right here, and then the leather, you know, the leather material. And then this is a skirt. It's just like a black and white print skirt. I'm going to pair this skirt with this jacket and this jumper. I've also got this jumper. This jumper is usually the kind of jumper that I would go for. I like this sort of color and style. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much happy with the collection. This one as well is a denim jacket, and I like denim jackets. Yeah, so this is something that I would like. And this as well. I feel like she was safe on this one because this is just like a black plain culottes. So yeah, this is a safe one. So I feel like these items are items that I would usually go for when I shop. When I buy stuff online. These are the kind of items that I would go for. So I'm just going to try them on with the different shoes. So these are the different shoes that I selected for the look. So yeah, I'm going to try them on with the different shoes just so that you guys can see how they would look when put together. So this is the first look. This is the first look, and I have paired it with this gorgeous the Bock bag. I feel like this bag is so cool, so nice. It's got a big opening inside and a little pouch right here, and I've paired it with this jumper and this lovely skirt. I love the button detail on the skirt and this jumper. It just goes so well. I've paired it with my white trainers for that, you know, for that school run look. This will be like a get up and go kind of outfit, perfect for the school run. I could cross the bag or just carry the bag like this out and about. So pretty. I like the pieces the lady selected for me, because I feel like she really had a look on my Instagram and knew the kind of things that I would like, and these are the sort of things that I would like. Yeah, so this is the second look with this shoe. I feel like it goes so well with the color of the jumper and of course the skirt, and this will be so nice for like an evening event, you know, in the winter or in the autumn, or even in spring as well, depending on how cold the day is. This will be so pretty to take out and about. So this is the third look with these outfits. I've selected these kind of boots to go with the outfits for that kind of, you know, that kind of tomboy kind of look. Again, depending on the weather, these boots will go. If it's a cold weather, you could definitely wear some tights inside, and I feel like this will be so nice. You could take this to the school run as well. You could take it to the school run or to an event, or when you're out shopping. You know, there's so many places that you could wear this outfit too, and it's so pretty. So the next look I'd pair together is this denim jacket with this white t-shirt and the black culottes. I love the detail on the culottes. It's got this kind of band that you could adjust, and it's got this kind of gold, you know, metal to it. So I've paired this look with these ankle length boots. So the boots has a touch of brown on the heel, and I feel like that brown goes with this bag, so it kind of looks really good together. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is how the boots look, and it's so nice. I feel like the culottes will go with these shoes as well. So depending on the occasion, where you're going, you could wear this one. You could wear it like this to an event. I feel like this would really work together. Yeah, this is how I would style my looks. I'm so happy that my personal stylist Katie at Lookiero selected these items for me. So thank you so much guys for watching my Lookiero haul and try on video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts about Lookiero and if you like pieces, and also subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to get notified each time I share a new video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.